Hello and welcome to a video series where we explain Gemini 1.5 models. Gemini 1.5 Pro model was released by Google in February. This is the state of the art model, and this video series is focused on looking at different Gemini Pro model versions like Vision, the Gemini 1.5 Pro. We're going to look at function calling, we'll do some advanced stuff, and I'm going to show you how you can learn step by step by yourself. So with that said, let's look at what is Gemini 1.5 Pro. Gemini 1.5 Pro is a multi-size, multi-model, means a model that can consume any type of data. It can be videos, audios, code, words, images. Just to give you an example, you can use Gemini 1.5 Pro to consume more than 1 hour, like almost an hour of video, 11 hours of audio, 30,000 lines of code, and more than 700,000 words because it has a huge context window. Gemini 1.5 Pro context window starts from 1 million input tokens up until 10 million, which is in research as per Google. So Gemini 1.5 Pro, as I mentioned, has an expanded context window. It's a new mixture of expert architecture. That means other models are more monolithic in nature. That means you have one single model knows every type of data and domain. For example, medical, financial, law, general knowledge, history, everything is combined in one single model. But MOE model means you have small segments of different learned segments of the model. They're all coming together and they work as a group. And therefore, it's known as MOE expert architecture. This helps improve efficiency in training and the model performance itself. You can view yourself, and I'll show you in a second how to access these. So as I mentioned, it can access across multi-modalities, including text, code, images, and video. So let's take a look. The way you want to get access to Gemini 1.5 Pro is using Google AI Studio. This is free. If you are a developer, you do not have a cloud console access, you can use this for free. I'm going to show you in a second how to get it. Uh, go to google.com, search for Google AI Studio, and you want to look for Google AI Studio Quick Start, or maybe this one. As soon as you click on this one, you will be getting a thing like this known as Google AI Studio. It'll of course ask you to accept few terms and conditions, and you see on the right side you have 1.5 Pro Gemini preview. This is your chat instruction. Here you can ask questions and stuffs as you go. Another way, but this is a developer's model, right? Like as you use Chat GPT or Gemini, the chat version of the model, this is for developers, and you can develop, you can create, get a code and things like that. But if you're a corporate customer and you do not want to use a developer's version, open version of the product, you can use Vertex AI, which is in the Google Cloud. Vertex AI in the Google Cloud looks like this, and you would see a dashboard, and you would see a Vertex AI Studio, and here you would access Gemini 1.5 Pro. Make sense? So there are two ways to access Gemini: through the Google AI Studio, which is free for developers, and if you want to use Gemini on the cloud, it is using Vertex AI Studio. Now, what I'm going to talk to you about is a small prompt on how you can, make use of multimodality. The picture, and this is an image with landfill details around the world, in the United States, Europe, and Asia. And if you look at it, this is a picture, right? This is a picture, and you have data information inside the picture as well. So what I'm going to do is upload the picture on the Google AI Studio. Like I can use this image video and I have uploaded it, and I'm going to ask the AI Studio to spot a data point that stands out in the chart, in these charts. And what does it mean? Produce a detailed markdown table for the data shown. And as soon as I say enter, it gives me this. Look at the power. It is able to extract information, decipher it, and provide you the information that is contained in the picture. Like the most striking data point in these charts is significantly high percentage of landfill plastic waste in United States, which is around 73%. That is what multimodality can do for you. Now, this is what we're going to do. In the next few set of videos, I'm going to ask you to create function calling. We'll look at different prompts. We are going to go very deep and solve a few use cases using Gemini 1.5. By the way, this is what I want you to do before you go off. You go in here, play around with every single option. Just make yourself comfortable here. You have Gemini 1.5 Pro model as well as temperature. You will see some edit safety settings. We're going to talk about all these settings in the next video, and advanced settings and things like that. So with that said, again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.